Willkommen zurück zu The Wolf Among Us. Ich denke, wir machen uns den Weg zum Lucky Pan und hoffen, dass noch irgendetwas da ist. Ah, wir sind schon da.
Jersey, don't give me that shit. What the fuck is the point of having a system if you're just gonna...
Jack, what the fuck is going on?
Yep.
But you,
I'm,
you're the guy who
just
makes
gonna...
I'm the guy to keep shit in order.
you know.
And that's it, Woody. If you love your ex so fucking much, why'd you pawn it in the first fucking place, huh?
Oh man.
I didn't pawn it, asshole. It was stolen from my apartment.
You don't want no part of this, pal. You push me one more time, and I will have one hell of a mess on my hands. And I really don't feel like mopping out this room today. So I'm giving you one more shot to thank me for my sunny attitude and generous disposition. Turn the fuck around and walk out that door with your life.
Jetzt gehen wir rein.
So get the fuck out of my sight. Hit the bricks.
Wow,
See you later.
ist stark.
Hey, what's going on here?
The fucking hell?
Christ. And this fucking guy too?
Are you kidding me? It was here. It was right fucking here. What did you do with it?
How
Bloody
the
Mary.
fuck do I
Oh
know?
nein, es ist nur ein Traum.
Listen, you bald little dipshit. You're gonna...
Wow.
You piece of shit. I'm gonna rip your fucking lungs out.
Oh man.
Back it up, Jersey. You're dealing with me now.
You got here fast. Still looking for whoever killed them hookers? Or are you done chasing your tail?
Where's my axe? Who'd you give it to?
You follow me here all the way from Battery fucking Park just so I can prove to you that your axe isn't here.
Hey, back off and settle down.
Hätten sollen schlagen,
What
wahrscheinlich.
the fuck are you gonna do?
Back off, dog. I just want what's mine. My axe.
You talk big, but I don't think you got the stones to back it up. Still a
Wow.
little sore, are we? Why should Mary get all the fun? You ain't so tough.
Woodsman, hilf mir.
You know what? Ow! You fucking motherfucker!
Geh mir auf die Nadeln.
Oh, motherfucker! Oh.
Ja, komm noch eins. Da ist ein Wichser, wo wir müssen. Sie sind ja stabil.
What the hell are you doing? This is my fucking fight.
Not now.
Dog, you got a lot of nerve.
Oh Gott. Oh Gott. Oh Gott. What the heck? Oh Gott. Wir müssen ihn retten. Dort ist die Axt drin.
Protecting your friend. Too bad you couldn't protect those whores.
Aha.
Go on, try to stop me.
Nein, ich will jetzt nicht mehr kämpfen. Ich muss!
Fucking stay there.
Ja, genau. Will ich! Ah, come on. Wir lassen's. Oh shit! Punch im Hals. Nein, ich will nicht. Ich will jetzt nicht mehr. Weichen einfach aus. Oh fuck. Ja, brich sein verdammtes Geweih ab. Oh! Nein, ich will ihn nicht töten. Ich will antworten. Maybe I should have killed him. Ah! Ah! Jetzt kommt der Woodsman und haut die Axt. Wo ist die Axt? Die Axt ist weg. Wo ist der Woodsman?
Hey, asshole.
Ja.
I found her.
Alright. Ich will nichts machen. Eigentlich. Ah, come on. Er wird schon überleben. Oh man. Keine Ahnung. Ah, hör mal auf. Ja gut. Das ist ein Arschloch, aber... Ah. Nein. Okay, danke.
Chick Mirror's missing shard. Where is it? Bloody Mary brought it here, didn't she?
You don't know anything about anything, do you? What do you have?
Dann hilf mir etwas zu
That
haben.
useless bitch Snow White in a broken fucking mirror.
Nothing? I still have you, don't I?
You can't find a crooked man. No one can.
Dann hilf mir.
The door to his house. It bounces around. Never in one spot. You'll never find it. Even Crane had to use the magic mirror. They dumped all his shit here. Bloody Mary uses this place like a fucking dump.
Where's Crane's stuff? Where'd they put it?
Ja,
In back.
danke.
Just go on. Get Crane's shit and go. Not that it's gonna do you any good.
See
Sicher.
anything?
Crane's coat.
Hat er irgendwo... Ah,
No
komm
time
on.
for traveler's checks, huh?
Ich brauche kein Geld. Vielleicht hätte man es irgendwie noch... Ich habe immer noch ein Nötchen bei mir.
That sick piece of...
Ja, komm on, er hat es so geliebt. Und da muss der Shard, bitte, Shard.
The shard.
Yes!
The shard. Finally.
Gut, gut, gut. Hat sich der Fight gelohnt. Umbringen müssen wir ihn noch nicht.
Hey, Sheriff.
What?
Those girls are still dead. Oh, and there's nothing you can do to bring them back.
I
And I
know.
don't know what they did, but I do know this. Oh, if they're dead, it's 'cause the crooked man wanted them dead. That's all it takes. So you can raw smash the place up. Shit. You can wail on me all you want. But what good is it gonna do you? 'Cause he ain't in your town. You're in his. And he sure as shit is ready for you.
Okay.
Got a smoke?
Sure. Gib ihm eine. Natürlich.
Thanks. Shitty brand.
You're welcome.
I'm not gonna lie. I was having trouble deciding which one of you to hit with this thing.
Come on, Woody. You know I'm the good man. Ja, okay.
Jersey was wrong,
About what?
about those girls. There is something we can do about it.
Ja, ich kann's
Get the
aufhalten.
fucker who did it.
Genau.
Ain't that the plan?
That's all I'm doing.
That's all I've been doing. This whole damn time.
All right, go do it then.
Was ist für dich das
Hey,
nächste?
Wood,
Yeah.
what are you gonna do now?
We all got our roles to play, Wolf. I'll see ya.
Okay. Oh, man, man, man. Shit's going down. He was much feared. Wer jetzt der Wolf, huh?
I don't care who killed the prostitutes. If Crane was helping himself to the community coffers, it means his hand was in my pocket. And you just let him go!
I don't know what you heard, but it didn't happen like that.
Are you denying the facts?
She's denying me the chance to get a word in. Now, Miss White,
Sheriff Bigby has returned.
Ah, there's the old wrecking bowl himself.
Where have you been?
I'm not finished here, Miss White.
You will have to wait. Just one moment, please.
Look what I found.
Oh, hell yeah.
Seems your dog wants a biscuit.
I'm not in the mood. And you've got a lot to answer for.
Mm-hmm.
Really?
Buffkin, get this piece in the mirror right away.
With pleasure, Miss White.
Finally. Things are swinging back.
Es
in the
fehlt
right
eh noch eins,
direction.
das ist so ein
Good work,
kleines.
Vicky. You've been gone all day. What did you uncover? I thought you were going to report back to me. I mean, it's fine. So what else did you find out?
I gotta say, this thing reaches a lot further than we thought. Crooked Man has something on everybody. It wasn't just beauty and the loan. Beast was working for him. His goon, the Jersey Devil, is putting the squeeze on all kinds of fables down at the Lucky Pawn. He's got fables enslaved at the butcher shop, making black market magic.
This is worse than we could have imagined.
That's over now, because we got the mirror. And once it's
Ja, das ist eh nicht
we
komplett.
got him.
Das ist so ein kleines
That's how
Teil.
Crane did it. That's how we're gonna do it.
Excellent work. Really.
Sheriff, I could use your assistance. Would you join me at the mirror?
Sure.
Don't go far, Sheriff. I'd like to have a few words of my own with you.
Unbelievable.
Why'd you put the hurt on Flycatcher? Were you hiding something down at the Tweedles? Or was it just for fun?
He worked for them, didn't he? Couldn't be sure that he wasn't involved, and I didn't want him interfering. I was simply endeavoring to make the search a speedy one. Surely you, of all people, can't fault me for getting overzealous in the process.
I don't buy it. I have more important things to deal with right now. You can be sure that we're gonna have a long fucking talk about this when I'm done.
I do so enjoy our talks.
Oh,
I
man.
wait with bated breath.
I don't understand. This piece just doesn't want to join the rest. Do you have any idea why?
Got me.
Not necessarily.
Well, where did you find it? What has it gone through since being separated from the rest? Shattering is a very traumatic experience, you know. So this process can be a little touchy.
I found it in Crane's coat. Last person I saw with Crane or his coat was that psycho Bloody Mary. Maybe she had some...
Ah, yes, Miss White was asking about her. That explains it. You know who and the mirror have a very unhappy history with each other. How would you like it if she tried to use you as a doorway?
I think I already know the feeling.
Well, I think I know how to proceed now. It will just take a little extra coaxing, that's all. Thank you for your help.
Okay.
It could be a while, Sheriff. I'll find you when it's ready.
Sicher.
Besides which, he might not want to come out with you watching.
Oh, he doesn't like being spied on.
If you ask me, you're everything that's wrong with me, Jack.
Is it fixed? Did you ask about the Crooked Man?
Buffkin's still working. He said it might be a while.
If you're so self-reliant, what do you want from the business office so bad?
What I want is my business.
I can't take those two right now. We're trying to catch a murderer, and they're over there bickering about bureaucracy. We're at war. Don't they realize that?
Do you need some help over there?
Yeah, thanks. Go talk to Toad. But just so you know, we can't pay him.
Okay.
He really needs to go to the farm, you know. So just break the news and be done with it, okay?
Ja, ich habe es ihm schon ein paar Mal gesagt.
Toad, come here.
I see how it is. Passed off to an underling, eh? Why am I not so... Well, you did cause what damage brings me in here, so maybe it's for the best. Just need a little bit of dosh to cover it. I tried talking to her about it, but it's like chatting up a brick wall, it is. Now, I'm sure you've got your own agenda, Eric, but I've taken a real wallet because of you.
Before we get into any of that,
Yeah.
what do you know about the Crooked Man?
Mir
Don't
fragen zu.
try to change a subject on me. I need a little bit of that walking around money, you know? My car...
Ah, ich habe ja noch ein
the
Nötchen.
gaping mole in my wall. Any of us sound familiar? I'm not looking for a handout. Just what's right. I need it, Big B.
Look,
Ich hatte doch vorher noch so ein Röllchen gehabt. Wieso habe ich es nicht mitgenommen dort?
Unless it's something, you know, urgent. I wish I could help, but...
Me and my boy getting shipped off to the farm is pretty bloody urgent to me.
Ja, I'm sorry,
And
man.
I even brought in this damn magic coat. I could have sold it, but I know you wanted it.
This isn't exactly a new problem with you, Toad. You know that if you're out of glamour, I gotta send you to the farm. Well...
Ich hatte doch vorher noch ein Nötchen mit da gehabt.
Is he going to the farm too? Yeah? You thought we didn't know about him, huh? A worst-kept secret in Fabletown.
Bleibt außer Sicht und du gehst immer raus.
Monkeys, at least. Can you say the same?
Fine, I get that. But might I propose a very simple solution? If you give me one more chance and hear me out, I'll see a way for me and me boy to stay. I'm not gonna ask for any more than I need. I just want to stay. So what do you say you just give me enough to cover me glamours and we'll call the rest a wash?
Ich habe doch...
Sharon, don't take TJ from the only home he knows. This old glamour rule is oppressive. I've done nothing wrong but look different. You know it's not
Ich
right.
mache, was ich kann.
I'll try to get you that money and get you another chance, but you have to understand, it's not entirely up to me.
Oh, thank you, sir. I knew I could count on you to make me whole again. I'll get you sorted and I'll be glamour to the nines, I will.
Ich habe doch, als ich die Nötchen aus dem Ding rausgenommen habe, habe ich links ja noch eins gesehen. Ich habe doch... warum kann ich es ihm nicht geben?
Look here, you want to talk? Now's your chance.
I've just made my donation funding this office, so direct your questions to Miss White.
Alright.
Well, at least he's not trying to get rid of me.
He's not?
For now. Did you take care of Toad? I
Yep.
mean, I saw the way he left. I know it may not seem that important right now, but glamours are the law for a very
Ich
good
habe das
reason.
Richtige gemacht.
Don't worry, I did the right thing.
Are you sure? Because he left looking pretty happy. Fine, we'll deal with it later.
Genau.
I know I should be asking how it got like this, but I just keep wondering why it happened. To Faith and Lily. You've seen his world. Do you have any idea why he'd want them dead? I don't know if the Crooked Man killed them with his own hand or if it was one of his goons, but someone did. What would make a
Ich weiß es
person do
noch
that?
nicht.
I don't know. But when I catch the fucker who did this, I'll find out why.
Sheriff, Miss White, I believe the mirror is repaired.
Nice! Wir sehen das nächste Mal, was wir im Spiegel sehen. Bis dann. Peace.